Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by acting fast. Open the Bkash app and go straight to transaction history. Speed matters because some reversals are time-sensitive. Once done, locate the specific transaction by TXN ID, recipient number, or amount. This identifies the exact transfer you must address. Make sure to screenshot the transaction screen for records because you'll need evidence when you contact support. Also, prepare your account PIN and any OTPs. These speed verification and let you move to the next step without delay. Next, check the transaction details for an in-app reversal option. Sometimes Bkash shows cancel or request refund for recent transfers. If that appears, follow the prompts. Choose reason, attach screenshot, and submit. This initiates an automatic refund flow. If there's no cancel button, immediately use Help report a problem, paste the TXN ID, explain why you need the Unsend, and attach your screenshot. Doing this starts an investigation. Make sure to note the complaint ID they give you for follow-up. Finally, escalate if the in-app route fails. Call the Bkash call center with TXN ID and complaint ID. Speaking to an agent often speeds resolution. Give your KYC details, attach screenshots to any email they request, and ask for an expected timeline. This keeps the process accountable. Once a refund is approved, monitor your Bkash balance and bank statement to confirm receipt. Troubleshooting tip: if no progress in 48 hours, insist on a supervisor and keep a written record of every interaction.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.